Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23 LXSR. This boat's ocean blue in color, tri-toon. It's got a Yamaha 150 on the back of it. It's got the silver interior with graphite accent. This boat is available and in stock, located here at MarineMax in Greenville. Let's climb aboard and take a look. Upgraded pillow top upholstery, portable cup holders. This is the center walk-through, so it's a captain's chair, co-captain's chair. Nice co-captain's chair, full cover. It's got the Simrad Go 7 in the dash, PMX2 upgrade, LED speakers, LED lights, LED cup holders. Very well-equipped boat. Forward lounge, cup holders, kicker stereo. Got the nice wood grain table here that is removable. Trash can under this guy here. Very pretty boat. And it is one of our first 2023 models starting to come in. And it's in stock and available. Give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.